Hi everybody, ZURIFX here. This is my niece, Zakaya. So here we're doing a challenge today. I had a lot of requests to do this challenge. So we're going to do this challenge. We're just going to knock it out and I'm going to see how long I can roll my eyes for in one shot, right? Yes, that's what we're going to do. She's She's going to get it ready and she's going to time me while I do this. We were already trying in the car and my eyes were hurting. Her eyes were hurting. I don't know why she's being so shy because she's never shy. Alright, so we're going to do... Okay, I gotta stop. So here we go. I'm going to do this. For all of you that wanted me to do this, I'm doing it right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I want to talk. Does it look okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, oh God. It's like I have to keep my eyes rolled. Hello.
It's just been seconds.
Oh my God. 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 How long?
Oh, it's still not a minute. Yup. It's almost a minute though.
Oh my God. I'm losing control.
1 minute.
Oh my God, it's just shaking out of control. Oh my God, am I even doing it?
Yes.
I give up.
Wait, you almost at 2 minutes? As soon as it's at 2 minutes, you can stop.
Oh my God!
Almost there. You got like less than 20 seconds.
Oh my God.
Almost there. It's at 55 seconds. 2 minutes.
Okay, so... My eyes hurt, guys. Thanks for making me do that. Like I see, you know how you see like your reflection? 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, I did it in 2 minutes and 6 seconds. She's doing it right now. See, she can do it too. All right, I did this for y'all, and I'm out. Again, ZURIFX here. This is my niece, Zakaya, and I did this challenge for you, and I'm over and out. Please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, bye. Why are you recording me? You recording me? Bye.